turn of the 20th century, San Juan County, New Mexico was an area full of life. The county was quickly becoming a hub of commercial activity, stemming from its agricultural roots. Between 1905 and 1909, the people of San Juan County began experiencing some flooding in their hometowns, with each year bringing stronger waters and more damage. But these years were mere precursors to the destruction headed their way. In the fall of 1911, disaster struck. Beginning north of San Juan County in Durango, Colorado, floodwaters rose and began their southward journey. Those northern residents who had already watched the flood pass through quickly sent word ahead to their neighbors down south that they should prepare themselves for what was coming. Newspapers from this time period describe aspects of the devastation. At least 50 families had been displaced as they watched the flood wash their homes away. 25 miles of railroad tracks were ruined. 150 miles of riverbeds in the San Juan and Animas rivers were destroyed. Nearly every bridge in the county had been destroyed with the exception of the wooden suspension bridge in Aztec, which remains standing in present times. However, there was only one known fatality, Frank Tice, an unmarried 35-year-old man. For most, the subsequent period of reconstruction took much time and patience. In certain areas, such as the now non-existent town of Oleo, families were forced to relocate their homes to higher ground. Eventually, the waters receded and life began anew, with the hardy citizens of San Juan County picking up where they had left off and continuing the work of turning their region into the boom town that its residents know today.